Kaming dalawa daw, kaming dalawa.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Let me then. Okay.
1v1 muna kami.
I'm just gonna watch. I'm just actually gonna watch. I'm just gonna watch. Wow. That was cringe. Okay. This might be the best one so far. Okay, bro. Oh my god, bro was trying to go.
25 1v1.
Wow. Bro is getting beamed. Bro. Oh my god, bro just got beamed. Bro just actually got beamed. Like, actually. Wait.
Ikaw naman daw mag 1v1.
Okay, ready? Get set.
1v1 na daw kayo.
Oh my god, bro's actually overpowered. Oh?
Try your best. Physics
Oh my god.
is for dashing attacks. And physics lab is overpowered.
Oh, how did I did that? Okay. I slammed the air, but...
Run, keep fighting.
Oh my god, I missed. Wow. I thought bro was gonna dash on me.
Physics lab. Physics lab.
Wait, it's actually still like... Oh my god, I'm actually 46 health.
Don't be far, ah.
Oh my god.
If you're using, ano,
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. Okay, wait. Mama.
Come here.
Bro.
Tulog na yata si Kyrie. Akala ko tulog ka na. Sino kasama mo dyan?
Oh my god. I'm 3 health. I'm 3 health. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, okay. Bro. I think that's it for today's video, I think.
Labo?
Hello, my boy. Okay. Boy pa. Oh my god. Wait. Bro just destroyed me. I didn't even get a chance. Wow. Where's bro at? Where's the 5-6? Hello?
1v1 kami.
Okay, bro.
1v1 lang kami.
Okay, bro. Okay. I'm just gonna watch this. I'm just gonna watch it.
Bro, yung pa
I don't have what?
Oh.
What? Only on my new account. Only on my cell phone. On my new account, I only have chat on my new account, not on my old account. Okay. Because Roblox didn't guess my Oh my god. Okay. Where did you guys go? Bro just got destroyed. W. W. Where are you at? What did bro say? Bro, what did bro say?
0 is just okay.
Did bro say that? 0 is just okay. 0 what? What?
0.
What?
0.
What? You're not hear you rightly, okay? Oh my god. Did he say already 1v1?
Let's.
What?
Lahat tayo magkalaban, Caleb. 3.
Did bro say that? Sinabi niya yun? Kay Yuri?
Lahat tayo mag 1v1 na, go.
Oh my god, okay. I just got... Bro, lock in. Lock in. I'm actually locking in. Oh my god. Saan ka? Halika dito, oh. Halika dito, oh. Oh my god. I'm getting beamed.
What do you mean? I'm already dead.
Bro, you're already dead. I saw that. Oh my god, I missed. Wow, I missed the 5-6 slam. Dash. Okay, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, bro. Oh my god. What do you even do? Bro, I did not even know you can switch your abilities when you're in the portal. Did you defeat him? No?
I don't know.
I saw him respawn on the lobby. Respawn all the way on top. Just Fulton. Wait. Let me equip Brock. I equip Brock. Equip. I'm trying to equip Psychic. Is this broken? Kill me right now. Kill me right now. I want to go to Solidify again. Because Kill me, bro. Kill me, bro. Please. I low-key blend in, though. Psychic there. We need 500 hits. Okay. So, do we still record or or do I end it? Oh my god. I just made him fall. Yo! Bro, I actually made him fall. Can bro already accept? Can bro already accept my friend request? Did you already friend him?
Na.
Nah, friend him right now, bro. Bro, friend him right now, like, bro, bro said kill him. Oh, I thought bro left. Wait, but where did bro go? Hello? Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, okay. Chill. Oh my god, chill. Wait, let me return to our lobby. So quiet, bro. So quiet. Oh man, what percent is it? 57. What do you equate? Okay, bro. Yo, bro, already got that thing. Oh, he accepted my friend. He accepted my friend request.
Yo.
Yeah, bro. He accepted my friend request. Yo. Bro's the best guy I've known for today. Like bro's the best guy. Like actual. Like bro actually accepted my friend request.
Caleb, hanapin mo kami.
Did bro said hide and seek?
Yeah.
Okay. Luckily, I have my teleport, my Scientific Dash, which turns. Is bro the seeker or am I the seeker?
Ikaw yung seeker.
Okay.
Count.
Count to what?
30.
30 seconds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 seconds more. Okay. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20, 29, 30.
Yun na.
Scientific Dash. Okay, now I can do not be first person. Now I can be a third person. First I'm gonna go on top.
Bro, see me. I was literally behind them.
Literally see that. I literally see that. I literally saw that. Are you now dead? Where are you at? Where are you
How
at?
did I get?
Did you survive?
Yeah, I'm up.
How? When I slammed that? the guy, bro? Bro, where are you at? I already found you.
Surprise!
Kaboom. Kaboom of old. How did bro survive? Get out of the map. Now find the last person, which is just Hunter. I think bro, that's really one real life. Let me go here. Where is bro at? Is bro at? If I was one of the hiders, y'all guys are oh, I see him. Okay. Did you team up with me or not? Or you're just here? Did you team up with me or you're just here?
Bro,
What?
I'm just looking.
Then you team up with me, bro.
He's up.
No way bro said that.
Bro, I know he's hiding his phone.
No way bro. No way did you just said that.
He's up here. He's up here, I swear.
Okay. Let's do it then. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing. Okay. Where's bro at? Like actually bro.
Okay, bro.
Where's bro at? Where is bro at, man? Where is bro
I
at?
think he left.
What?
Bro, I think bro left.
Yeah. I think we need. Do we end the call, bro?
Bro, let's go into the public server. We can get more hits.
Okay. Wait. Am I end now, bro? So guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoy, like and subscribe, and I hope you guys are safe. Have a nice night.